Let's put the rhythm theory from the last lesson into some effect. If I play you a shuffle drum rhythm like this, this is what we're going to work with, just to give you an idea of what it feels like. And I want to introduce a new addition to our chord vocabulary. Right at the very beginning, I showed you this very simple idea of playing the open A and the E string, which gives us a fifth and creates this so-called power chord. Now, there's a nice thing we can do with this, and it's very, very common both in blues and rhythm and blues and rock. And that is, we can add another note to the rhythm to create this dotted or shuffle feel. Of course, we could do it on the single note. I'll demonstrate that with the drum machine for you. Up to the A, up to the D. Back to the A. Okay, so you could do it with the information you already have. To make that a little more interesting, you can actually lay the third finger down 3 frets away to bring in the F sharp. This is actually bringing in a sixth of the chord. And the movement is this. First chord, second movement to the sixth. So if I do it on straight eights for a moment. 1. 4s, 2, 3, 4, 8s. 4s, 8s. And it's also a good exercise for the third finger. So we'll just do that on the A chord with the drum rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this really begins to embellish the chords in a good way. You can also do the same thing on the open D and A, back to the A, back to the E, down to the E, up to the D, and back to A. And this completes our basic 12-bar sequence using this kind of movement. Okay, I'm going to play it with the drum machine and give you a chance to play along. Okay, I just stuck in that little ending for you, and we'll get to that in future lessons.